It's currently 11:31 a.m. A lot of stuff has been going on lately. My mom did not want me to film anymore until I got one of my grades up because I'm currently failing. She wants me to get my grade up in order for me to film. And I keep telling her that, you know, I want to focus on one thing at a time. And she says, yeah, you can focus on one thing at a time. You can focus on school. I was like, no, it doesn't work like that. She had an offer that I totally took up with no hesitation. She said, I will let you film again if I get to cut your hair short. And, you know, I'd rather do that than work to get my grade up. Work smarter, not harder. So it's tougher doing this because like a lot of my friends are busy, they can't film for me and stuff like that. So I'll always text one of my buddies, like Braylon or somebody, be like, hey, I need footage this weekend, can you help me? You know, Brett's always busy 24/7. Braylon's busy 24/7. Everyone's busy, dude. I can't get anybody. And if I can get somebody, they're too scared to film in public, which makes me mad, but I understand. Brett has mastered that, though. He's totally got that down to film in public without being scared, which is awesome. That's why I need him, but he's busy 24/7. Everything's good, so we should be fine. Dude, the mic keeps falling. So, do you know how much an order of crab ragoons is? What?
550.
540?
550.
540?
550.
Oh, 540?
550.
Okay. I have 5 right here.
580.
550?
580.
Oh, okay. They have jerk sauce here? Oh my God. You know, I'm actually really good with like relationship stuff and stuff like that. So if you always need me, bro, always add me on Snapchat. Those will be in the description, always, 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 always. If a girl says she likes you, then she texts you that night, that same night. Some girls will turn their back on you. They'll be like, yep, I'm going to bed, GN. GN doesn't count, man. That's all we have for today. So if you want to pay me later, that's totally fine. Jeez, oof. How long did those take? It's been about a minute or two. Braylon and I are getting together tonight. We're gonna sleep together so we can do school tomorrow. They totally looked at the camera and they didn't care. I think, see dude, that's the thing. Asian people are always so cool. That's why I'm glad that I'm half and half. In the winter time, I'll be really white. In the summertime, I'll be like tan. Why do they have this barricaded, dude? Jesus. This actually looks like Black Ops Zombies. Thank you very much. A beautiful young man. Love that guy.
I'm not about to explain everything that's going on here. We got a best of 2020 video, so go check that out so you guys can be caught up to speed. Also, the way we got into those classes was I literally
On ASMR before, so I don't really know how this works.
got in this video, and you know what? We can do pretty good.
This is the world's first browser for gamers. It's an internet browser for gamers like you and me. What exactly does that mean? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, how about features like GX Control that allows you to limit the browser's use of your CPU and RAM to not hurt your performance in-game? I have 64 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna let you use 4 and only 20% of my CPU because I need the rest to game. There's also network limiting that lets you limit the bandwidth that Opera GX.
You can't have that up on full volume. It was,
Oh no, it's connected to my...
no, it's coming out here.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Oh, that... What? That's crazy.
Hey yo, what it is, everybody report to the motherfucking dance floor with they motherfucking drinks, they wet ass pussies, they big fat asses, and them big brown titties with them pepperoni nipples. Licking the dick, sucking the ball, swallow down, beating down your pussy, walk to the ground, spin around and round. And these stacks get
It's
down.
back on again. It's back on again, so we're gonna have to ask you not to use this. 'Cause it's the third time now that you've had it on and it's gone to
Oh,
full volume.
Well, my daddy gave it to me for a present.
I understand that, but you can't be listening to it at full volume in the library.
Oh, well, it's on my headphones.
But it's also coming out of here.
Oh,
So
but I
I'm
can.
hearing it both ways.
Oh, so you didn't like it?
It's not appropriate in the library.
Oh,
Let me suck your dick. That's me opening my mouth so I can like suck your dick. Like, nigga. I cut my dick off. I'ma give you brain, nigga. See that booty twirl, then it drop, nigga. Don't test me. I'ma give you top, nigga. I've been fucking niggas since the
Excuse
fifth
me.
grade. Really
You
made
need to
no
turn this
difference
down.
if that nigga gay.
what?
You
Oh,
need to turn this
gosh.
down.
Oh,
Thank
sorry.
you.
Oof. I thought that was her. I didn't think that was. Gold. So I need a gold vest for my next video.
He fits.
Ask her. Ma'am, do you know where might the like the neon vests might be?
Like safety vests are you
Yeah.
looking for?
I don't know if I should get one or two. I'll probably have to end up getting two. No, thank you. Wait, yes, please.
Fixing potholes?
What?
Fixing potholes?
Yep. I'm gonna go bust some people on the road.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you. You enjoy the rest of your day, sir.